one thing, I think even you and I have discussed this before. We mentioned these statistics. 1 in 4 who experience a mental health problem annually, and 1 in 6 report experiencing one of the common mental health problems. How accurate are these statistics? Because I remember Theresa May, when she was Prime Minister, 2017, I think it was, where she commissioned an impact, a project rather, to look at the impact of poor mental health. And I think Deloitte came up with some of these numbers, and they were reporting a cost of about £70 billion a year. That was 2017-18. And we're still using and these statistics, I think some of them were showing up as early as 2013-14. And then we've had Brexit, we've had COVID, and we were dealing with the aftermath. Surely these numbers should change. How accurate are they? How much do we believe them?
I think by now this figure should have. I think they have risen to a very, very alarming numbers, because so some of the causes of mental health are like uncertainties and things like stress and things like losing, loved ones and illness and all that kind of thing. Actually, COVID brought all those things. So I would have thought, these numbers have risen so much. So I think they should be updated, because we've experienced all these things. Even right now, we've got all these uncertainties within the conflict in the world and things like that. All this brings a lot of other anxieties and other problems as well associated with mental health. So I think the numbers should be much, much, much more than that.